Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I want to show you guys what I got here. I took this out of the box because the box got wet and scrunched, but it looks like everything's in good shape, so we are going to be good to go. And this is our table here. So all I've done is take it out of the box. I haven't even looked at the instructions, which are, let's see, let's put this down here, right here. So this is going to be our instructions on how to assemble this table. So here we go. So let's see if we can figure this out. It looks like it's going to be super simple. There aren't too many screws or anything to deal with. So first thing first, we're going to have to flip this over. Actually, that's not going to be first. We're going to have to put the other stuff on first. We have to put the table on first. So first thing is going to be to assemble this to the bottom. So this is the floor. It looks like it comes with the screws already stuck in here. Hopefully I can get them back in the right place. And then we have the screws to put through there. Let's see, how do I want to do this so you guys can see? I'll scooch you all over this way, and you guys can watch me assemble it on the floor here. There we go. So this is going to be the first part. I did not put that in there correctly. So we basically have 3 screws that we're going to have to line up. And there's 1, 2 here, and 3. So this is going to be our base. I'm kind of building it upside down, and you'll see in a second. Came with a little tool. There we go. This will be handy. And you see it's got these little leveling feet, which are nice if you're putting it on something that's not so level or whatever, you'll be able to get it to be good. So let's tighten it up here. There, that's tight. That's tight. And there. Okay, so there. Now we have this part of it done. Now we're going to have to do the same thing for that metal bracket up top here. Should be easier to line it up. So here we go. This is going to line up too. It's funny, it's got a lot of holes, but there's only 3, and it's only going to fit a certain way. So pretty easy to do here. So it's a pretty decently tall table. You can see it's probably, I don't know, 35, 40 inches tall. Okay. Oh, I should have used this to do it. But I'll tighten it with this. There's that one. That one is now tight, and this one. Okay, so there. So this is the way it's going to stand, but I'm going to have to turn it upside down in order to screw it onto the base. So then we screw it onto here. So let's see what we got here. So let's line those up. Aim you guys a little bit over here so you can see what I'm doing. Just throw that plastic away. And then we get what came with the 4 screws for this. And I assume we will be using the same little hex wrench for that as well. Let's line this up better. So there's that one. That is now tight as well. There. And our table is fully assembled. Oh, that's got some weight to it. Oh, it's a heavy table. And there we go. So there, we can see what it looks like here. It is a very nice looking table. It's got the gold base to it here. So it's really nice and metal. It's got that gold there, black. And then we have our marble looking wood top. So really nice table. This will look really good in my place here, and then I can level the feet if I need to, but it's level right now. So really cool table. I like it. I'm gonna say thumbs up for me. Really nice table.